Guys, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V tutorials. Today we'll be looking at how you can invest. Just $6, okay, and make a huge return in percentage. So before I dive into this, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and as well share my videos so that a lot of people can gain value from this amazing content. So what do you just need to do? All you just need to do is simple. Just make sure you have a verified Bybit account or any other exchange of your choice. But for the sake of this tutorial, we are using Bybit. Then you fund your account. After funding your account, then you can navigate yourself straight to the earnings. Navigate yourself here in order for to start this activity. Come to the earning here. So if you click on the earning as usual, we're going to navigate ourselves straight to the USDT and flexible sessions, which is where we're tracing the USDT straight, which is here. You now click on the USDT. You see something of this nature. Then trace to choose the flexibility. It will navigate you to a place like this. Okay, it will navigate you to a place like this. So you click on this flexibility. After that, you come to USDT here to click. This is the percentage you will earn. All right, this is the percentage you will earn. So you click on the USDT. If you click on USDT, it will bring you to a place of this nature. And one of the most fascinating things is this. You can invest as little as 1 USDT, and you can invest as much as 100 million USDT. There is it. Okay, this shows you the estimated APR. This shows you the 24-hour real-time APR. This shows you what you gain if you invest less or equal to 500 USD, greater than or equal to 500 USD, and this shows you what you earn if you invest less than 100 USD. Okay, you can see the current staking is 0 yet because I haven't staked anything, and the estimated yield is still not started reading. I always advise you not to turn this on, because if you turn this on, it's going to be doing automatic savings for you. All right, so come to this place. Your order time will be here. The yield accuracy time is here, and the yield actual, which is the UTC, is here, and lots more. So the next thing you just need to do is to come to this place and click on yes, I have read and agreed to Bybit terms. Come here to click on it. If you come here to click on it, then you're going to click on stake. All right, so let me invest something little, because as I said earlier, we're going to invest just 6 USDT and see how it is. So you can now see that I've made 6 USDT available here. So I'll come to this place to click on max, because I want all to be used. Okay, so I'll click on max. If I click on max, you see that I have a 0.6 USDT here, which I'm willing to stake. So as I said, we're going to come to this place to click on I have read and agreed. Click on it. Then this stake will be available to you. Then click on stake. Don't forget, you must not do this until you are all caught up. You are all ready for this. Okay, my estimated APR is going to be 1.34%. Staking period flexible. I can take it anytime. From funding accounts, yes. Then other time, you can see this begin today by 10. Okay, I can come to this place to click on view order to view my order. All right, So the next thing I just need to do is to come to this place to click on confirm. Okay, so it's successfully staked now. I have successfully staked this. You can see what I have staked there. Okay, you can see my current staking amount is available now here. You can see the remaining pool size. That is a lot of people can see stake because the pool size is very robust. Okay, the pool size is what is very robust. You can see I'm done with this. All right, so this brings me to the end of this very video. If you do have any question, do not forget to drop it at the comment sections and I'll attend to you ASAP. So thank you so much. I'll see you in my next class. Bye.